Sound is actually really, really useful. There are several uses of sound. I'll go through a couple here. One of them, or lots of uses of sound, are actually based on this process called echolocation. So this is where you send out a sound wave and it bounces back, and depending on how long it takes to bounce back and where it bounces back from, that tells you where something is. So it's, it's an echo, 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 but it locates something too. So we use echolocation often in marine vessels. So this is a submarine here. So the submarine sends out, submarine sends out a little ping noise. This is the sound waves traveling out. But then when they hit something, they of course bounce back. So sound waves will echo back, back to the submarine. And depending on how long it took for the sound to go all the way and bounce back, will tell the submarine or the ship how far away the thing is. And this is how ships, locate, well, an island here, which is underwater. So submarines, or marine vessels use sonar to, do things like avoid running into islands underwater, but they also use it to locate other ships or other submarines. It's particularly useful in war. But of course, humans, we really stole the idea or the concept of sonar, and we stole it from other animals. So when an animal uses echolocation or uses sonar to detect its environment or its prey, it's called biosonar. So bio means living. So a great example, a couple of examples is this is a dolphin. So it uses sonar or biosonar to locate prey, fish under the water. It's unbelievably accurate the way it does it. And a second example here is a bat. So a bat uses echolocation or biosonar. It sends out these sound waves. Sends out sound waves. We can't actually hear them, they're really high frequency, and then when they hit something, like this is a little fly here, it bounces back, sound waves bounce back, and then the bat goes, there's my dinner, and zooms in to get it. Another amazing use of sound is something that we use, and it's called ultrasound. So you were probably you probably looked a little bit like this person here, when you were in your mother's uterus. So we use sound, we get really high frequency sound, and we bounce it into our bodies, and it bounces back from our bodies, and then we can see a picture of what the sound is bouncing off. So in this case, this is a baby inside its mother's stomach. So we can see here, this is its foot, these are its toes up here, its ankle, this is its knee, so the leg here is bent. This is its body, and ultrasonographers, people who look at ultrasounds, can tell amazing detail. Up here we've got, I'm drawing green, which is not great, but this is the baby's head. So this is all in utero, within the womb. It's unbelievable. This is its nose here. They can see its brain forming. You can learn so much about a developing baby by performing an ultrasound. And you can also use ultrasound for lots of other medical technologies. But sonar and also ultrasound are just two of the amazing uses of sound.